Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid. First, let's understand who qualifies. Medicaid offers vital health coverage to over 80 million Americans. Eligibility is primarily based on your household income, the number of people in your family, and the specific guidelines of your state. Many states have expanded their programs, making it easier for more individuals to qualify. Generally, you must be a U.S. citizen or a lawfully admitted immigrant to be eligible for these benefits. Next, gathering the correct documents is a crucial step in your Medicaid application process. You'll need to provide proof of identity, such as a driver's license or a passport. Income verification is also essential. This could include recent pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements. Don't forget proof of residency, like a utility bill or a lease agreement. Finally, ensure you have the Social Security numbers for everyone in your household who will be covered. Now, let's explore the various ways you can submit your Medicaid application. The most common method is to apply online through your state's official Medicaid website, which is often the quickest option. You can also print out an application form and mail it in. For personalized help, consider visiting your local Medicaid office, where staff can assist you. Additionally, calling your state's Medicaid helpline can provide valuable guidance and answer any questions you may have. Finally, what happens after you've submitted your application? Typically, you can expect to receive a decision within 90 days, though some states process applications faster. It's common to receive a request for additional information, so be prepared to respond promptly. If approved, you'll get an enrollment packet detailing your benefits and how to use them. If your application is denied, remember you have the right to appeal that decision, so don't hesitate to seek further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.